I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting in recovery. Reboot and hold Command R to reach Mac OS utilities right away. You need a backup because disk utility can modify partitions. Make sure Time Machine or a clone is available. Once the utilities window shows, select Disk Utility, pick the exact target volume by name, and confirm whether it's Apps or HFS+. That affects available options. Now choose First Aid as the initial action to scan and repair the file system. You'll run First Aid on the disk hierarchy. Start with the physical drive, then the Apps container or HFS+ volume. Click First Aid and let it run until it finishes. If it reports errors, run it a second time because some issues clear only after multiple passes. Once done, review the logged messages to understand fixes applied. If you see container-level apps issues, repair the container next. For HFS+ directory errors, repeat First Aid on the If disk utility can't repair the drive in local recovery, reboot into Internet Recovery with Option Command R and retry First Aid there. It uses Apple's online system tools. Once done, make sure to reinstall macOS only if the volume reports healthy. Reinstall preserves data in most cases, but have your backup ready. If errors persist or the disk is failing, stop and restore from your Time Machine or clone. Troubleshooting tip: if repairs repeatedly fail, run Apple Diagnostics and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.